Hi, I'm Rich Groh. I'm from the town of Babylon. I'm the Chief Environmental Analyst. I'm really happy to be here today. We have our two analysts here, Greg Gaxiola and also Alex Caputo. We are at a project that was selected. This is in West Babylon along Carll's River, and this was a GOSER project. Governor's Office of Storm Recovery funded the project. It was selected by a committee that was made up of local residents, and the town was also on it. And this is a project that was supported by the village to help with some of the downstream flooding, and also supported by the town of Babylon for its water quality benefits. We had identified this property a while back. It was surplus property of marginal value because it's a very high water table, and we were supported by our town supervisor, Rich Schaefer, our deputy supervisor, Antonio Martinez, and also our Chief of Staff, Ron Klusner, when we brought forth the idea of taking this surplus land and creating a stormwater wetland that would naturally treat runoff. So this has been several years in the making. It was just completed this year. The GOSER funding also funded a study of the watershed of Carll's River, which, by the way, is our largest water body in the town. It includes lots of open space, Belmont Lake State Park that was preserved, and it goes all the way up to Huntington. It also includes Geiger Lake Park the town is just completing. This project here, a stormwater wetland, and you can see in the background here, I'm going to kind of do a close-up of the plan. And the plan has a pre-treatment basin, okay, before it actually goes into what we call a forebay, and then the basin. And this project uses wetlands, natural native wetland plants that naturally treat the runoff. And that would be to remove pollutants such as nutrients. And nitrogen has been a big issue in the Great South Bay, South Shore Estuary Reserve, causing harmful algae blooms and that sort of thing. This is just a couple more schematics here, and this shows the pre-treatment chamber. And again, the runoff comes from New York State Route 27, Sunrise Highway, which is right over here. The town is also working with the state DOT. So since this is going to service the stormwater from a state road, we thought it would be best to actually transfer this to the state once we do all our paperwork. And that's what we're in the process now. So it's a joint project between the Department of Environmental Control, the town of Babylon, and the New York State Department of Transportation. So they'll be taking it over at some point, probably during 2023. And here I just want to show you a little bit of the stormwater wetland, and the forebay here. And this is typically where most of the sediment drops out. It then goes into the basin. You can see some waterfowl in the basin there. And then that water, after it's been naturally treated, is returned to the creek, which flows into the main portion of Carll's River. Previously, that runoff went right into the creek. So We're very happy with this project. It's going to help our environment. There is prime trout habitat in this portion of the watershed, so water quality is very important. So yeah, we're very pleased with this project, and this is actually the third stormwater wetland that we've done. We've done one upstream at Geiger Lake, along with an educational kiosk, and then also we did a stormwater treatment wetland at Ketchum's Creek, and we've done some wetland restoration work too in various locations of the town. So I thank you for watching our little video. I just want to add some information regarding the site. The site was 2.6 acres, and we originally were going to take out about 11,000 tons of material. We ended up taking out 18,000 tons of material. It turned out that there was historical fill on the site, which in accordance with DC regulations has to be tested. So that actually increased the cost of the project. The total cost of the project was approximately $3 million. And that is a project that has been constructed to DOT standards.